Hello and welcome dear colleagues and fellow researchers. Today, continuing from the previous discussion defining Saussurean sign, I'd like to elaborate upon sign as a dyadic structure. Saussure emphasized that the sign is not just the signifier or the signified alone, but the relationship between the two. This dyadic structure means that the meaning of a sign emerges only when the signifier and signified are linked in a particular cultural and linguistic context. For example, the sign horse, either spoken or written, signifies a particular four-legged animal in English language. The word here is signifier and the concept it refers to is signified. But this relationship is restricted to the linguistic system of the English language. While in some other language we need a different combination of signifier and signified to make a sign for the same four-legged animal. Interestingly, in the code of the game of chess, the sign horse has a different interpretation as you can see in the image. So that is all for today. I'll be providing more details on the concept of sign in upcoming content. Comment which concepts you want to know in detail. Thank you.